Hi. What happened? My beautiful girls. My beautiful girls. Yeah. Hey, what are you saying? What? What? Yeah. These two cats hangs out always. All the time, man. But they don't get along at all. They always fight or yell at each other. What? What? I know them for like 3 years and they have been always like this. Always. But both of them are full of love towards humans, not cats. They hate other cats. Hey. Her name is Ponchik and her name is Boncuk. Hey. Hey Boncuk. Hey Ponchik. What? As you know, maybe you don't know, this little girl was, wow, hey, was following me every day, like 6 months ago. And then she gave birth. Then she stopped following me. She was following me every day at least 1 kilometer. That was weird because even though I feed her, she was still following me. Yeah. What? Actually, one of my first videos about her. Yeah. I love you, my little doll. Look at that. Look at that. Half cute there. Half cute there. Also, I have several videos about her too in the channel. Yeah, she was the athletic girl. Chubby but athletic. Okay, I think time to give you guys some food because they're looking directly at my eyes. Hey. Yeah, that click noise is a music for them. You have to wait. By the way, I didn't name them. Mrs. Tülay named them, all of them, because yeah, these are actually her cats. Again, this one is the Ponchik, this one is the Boncuk, and that one has no name yet because he was a little bit shy and not coming here too often. Yeah. Okay guys, take care for today.